Most people think AI is coming. It's not. It's already here, and it's already working. I know that because I'm using it every day. Not for experiments, not for demos, for real businesses. We've built systems that respond to leads in seconds, follow up without anyone touching a phone, and keep operations moving even when the team is offline. And what's interesting isn't the technology, it's what happens after. Things get quiet. No more chasing updates. No more, did anyone respond to that? No more bottlenecks sitting in someone's inbox. Work just moves, consistently, predictably, without friction. And once you experience that, it's very hard to go back. Because you start to notice things you didn't see before. The delays, the gaps, the manual steps that used to feel normal start to feel expensive. That's the shift most people aren't ready for. AI doesn't just improve your business, it changes your standard. Now here's the part most people get wrong. They think they need more tools, more software, more complexity, but that's not what's working. What's working is redesigning how the work flows first, then letting AI execute inside that system. That's what we've been doing. And the businesses that get this right, they don't just save time. They move faster than everyone else without adding pressure. So this isn't theory. This isn't what might happen. This is already happening. The only question is, are you experiencing it yet? If you want to see what that actually looks like in a real business, go to scalethroughautomation.io and step into the AI and Automation Center. You'll see exactly how this works and what it could look like for you.